Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Do you have any strategies for helping students with autism who refuse to do non-preferred activities? Well, first of all, as you know, if you've met one person with autism, you've met one person with autism. And I don't believe there's any really blanket way to make people do something that's non-preferred, especially when we know cognitively and communication-wise, people with autism tend to get a little rigid over things that are uncomfortable. So how do I make it a little bit more comfortable so that they'll step into doing something that they don't want to do? I like to look at the environment first, and I'll kind of ease them into it. So let me give you an example that always worked for me many years ago, and I still remember this to this day. I had a student with autism who really struggled and would feet in cement, not do it. And you know what I did? I would turn on a Carly Simon album at the time. For some reason, this particular music, Carly Simon's voice, and the song that he would listen to would immediately calm his body, and he was more open to trying something he didn't prefer. So if there are ways that you can change the environment through music, color, whatever it might be, it will help to kind of ground that nervous system a little bit, and you may be able to get a little bit more of the non-preferred stuff done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.